Top 5 meme coins to buy this April. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about top 5 meme coins you need to buy, if not add to your watch list this April. Now, let's jump right into the list. So as we can see, guys, the meme coins have been taking the market cap by storm. We see over $60 billion in market cap with over $11 billion in 24-hour trading. This meme coin segment is not a segment to be messed with. It's so crazy how last bull market, meme coins and shit coins alike were looked down upon. Now this bull market, we saw the meme coins take off before the altcoins. Let's take a look at this list, and you're gonna want to add these coins to your list. All right, the first one on the list, guys, is actually interesting enough. The number one meme coin is Dogecoin, and the first one we're covering to buy in April is Dogecoin 20. It's Dogecoin but better. Let's talk about it. They got 17 days before it launches, guys. They've already raised over $10 million in market cap. This coin is not just our regular Doge, it's more because it's more rewarding. Prepare for ultimate Doge upgrade. We're sending Elon's fave towards a more sustainable future. Stake Dogecoin today to start earning eco-friendly rewards. Guys, with Good Boy Staking, they're utilizing smart contracts powered by ETH. So much more than meme coin is bringing staking to the table. And this is your last chance to get it at pre-sale prices, guys. And this is days away from launching, so you might want to grab a bag. They got 17 days to go. They're growing rapidly fast on Twitter as well. The community is growing, and it's launching on Doge Day. So it's your absolute last call to load up a bag, and you're gonna want to get in before. And this is gonna be a coin you want to add to your list this April. Next coin on the list, following the dog theme, is Dogwifhat, a popular Solana-based meme coin that took the internet by storm. With almost a $4 billion market cap, this coin has flipped Pepe coin with a larger market cap, making a top 30 coin on CoinMarketCap. People are very bullish for Dogwifhat, and what is this project? It's literally, so what is with? Literally just a dog with a hat. If you haven't heard about this meme coin, guys, you must be living under a rock, because this is a Solana gem that has been taken over the internet by storm. Solana projects, guys, are super underrated, and this bull run they're gonna take off. Dogwifhat down 8% on the day, guys, so you might want to take advantage of getting this buying opportunity. Still up on the week, which is insane because a lot of the coins are down. A lot of the coins are in red in April, which is a great start to the month, entering a bloodbath. Hey, I like it, guys. Just like my Boxing Day deals, I like buying my cryptos on a deal as well. Add Dogwifhat to your list. The next coin on the list is Book of Meme. Yes, another Solana coin, also down on a red day. Book of Meme coin launched, guys, and took the internet by storm, getting probably one of the fastest Binance listings a meme coin has seen. It was listed within 48 hours, also reaching $1 billion market cap within 48 hours as well, which is absolutely insane. This gem is down 6% on the day, which is a great way to start April because you're buying it at a discount. Book of Meme on the Solana coin, on the Solana network, guys, taking over the internet. This is their website, a super simplistic website. I believe this is replicating one of the original websites on the internet, introducing Book of Meme, an experimental project poised to refine Web3 culture by mitigating memes, decentralized storage solutions, and degen shitcoin trading and gambling. So it's a project that just took the internet by storm, guys. On Twitter, they are absolutely trending, literally always taking over the trending tab with 140,000 followers. Book of Meme is taking over, and if you haven't got a bag, you might want to load up. Next coin on the list is Pepe token. Pepe is an interesting project because it came in a time of the bear market, because this project launched in the beginning of 2023, back when we were in a crypto winter, and it had a pop, and then it kind of died off and consolidated the entire crypto winter, which is insane to see. Then this bull run has been getting one of the most attention in terms of meme coin on the internet, and Pepe is not over just yet. On the week we are down 8%, on the day we're down another 7%, which makes this a solid buying opportunity. One look at the past month, guys, we can see we're seeing some solid resistance zones at this price range, and right over here. The second we hit this price, it seems to have popped off, and you're gonna want to load up a bag of Pepe, guys. In April, I imagine, because of Bitcoin halving going to happen, we're going to see a ton of buying happen in the markets. We're already seeing institutions buying in. On red days, we do see people tend to sell, but once that passes, guys, April is going to be a ballistic month for meme coins and Bitcoin as a whole, so you're gonna want to load up your bag. I saw this and I thought I'd share because it's funny, but someone commented in the community tab, what if the US government converts all of their BTC holding into Pepe? This would launch Pepe to the moon. That's obviously never gonna happen, but that'd be interesting. Now the last coin on the list is a safer coin, Shiba Inu. I thought we threw in a bunch of random coins, from a pre-sale coin, which was Doge 20, to some coins that have been around like Pepe, and then new Solana coins like Boom. But now Shiba Inu, a blue chip meme coin, because of the utility, guys, we have to add it to a top 5 list. In April, it's gonna go ballistic, guys. It's still nowhere near its full potential. Shiba Inu, last bull run was one of the hottest coins. This bull run, it's still up there, but obviously they have some new competition. But historically speaking, guys, guys, Shiba Inu is going to pass its previous all-time highs out of the $15 billion market cap and so much utility. Their whole ecosystem as a whole, it's no longer just a meme coin, guys. It's got Shiba Inu token, the Bone token, the Leash token, SHIB swap, their games, their NFTs, their magazines, their comics. Pretty much, they got literally everything from the SHIB swap to the ecosystem to Shibarium, the archives. You can advertise with them now. Shibopia, like Shiba Inu, is literally it's going to be bigger than a meme coin, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if one day we do see a $1 1 cent Shiba Inu, just like we saw with Dogecoin. So you're definitely going to want to add Shiba Inu to your list. Now, guys, this is my top 5 coin list for buying in April, and I want to know what your list is down below. Is there something I missed out? All we can say, guys, is this April we are going to see a crazy storm with cryptos. We're already 17 days away from happening, and a $60 billion market cap, guys. It's insane. There's some top coins we didn't even mention. Like, we didn't get a chance to mention Dogecoin. We didn't get a chance to mention Floki, which also has crazy upside. Bonk, which has crazy upside, right? Doge 20 is not even listed on CoinMarketCap yet. A Cock Inu, another honorable mention. Bong coin, but just taking off. There's so many coins. Slurf Anna. There's so many meme coins that are taking the internet by storm that you're gonna want to add to your list, if not load up a bag. But like always, guys, this is not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. I'm super excited to see what's going to happen this bull run, and I'm super excited to see what happens in April with the crypto happening. I think with the Bitcoin happening, I think some crazy things are about to happen, and I want to know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.